does cloud native implies cloud only? Well, let me address that by giving you my perspective on this thing. OpenShift, which is IBM Platform as a Service, is built on top of Kubernetes. And that's what gives it its capability of growing and shrinking with demand. And Loginside is, of course, built on top of OpenShift, and so it is ClickHouse and many other components. Right now, what is it? What is the advantage that OpenShift brings into the picture? Well, that when you build something like Loginside on top of OpenShift, it is a lot easier not just to have it on AWS, but also on Azure, as well as Google Cloud. Because think of it as it's platform as a service, but I'm going to use an analogy of a kind of a middleware that allows you to port those things. But also, and very important, OpenShift is used also on-prem. You deploy the infrastructure to run OpenShift. You do, in fact, today, IBM has released the QRadar Sword on top of OpenShift and it can run on-prem as well. So I don't want to give you the impression that all this Loginside means that people will have to migrate to cloud, because some people will remain on-prem, and for security and other reasons they may not want to go onto the cloud. So definitely cloud native does not mean cloud only. Another point that I want to clarify on this series of videos on Loginside is on case management. If you have watched the video where I show case management, you may have noticed that there are some features like the automation and other components that are not in what I show in the demo, and that is because I don't have the keys to enable those features. But the product, when deployed, has the full functionality. It's up to you to have the license key to turn the distinct functionality that you may have not seen when I was showing that video. Short clarification to make sure that there are no doubts on this playlist of login sites.